Hi, I'm Britt, Director of Education at Write the World. I'm delighted to continue to demonstrate how to make the most of our writing community. In this video, I'll show you how to create and utilize Write the World's private groups to facilitate writing instruction with your students. As we've noted in previous videos, a Write the World group houses your students' writing and your resources for them in one private space. To request a group, please visit the Contact Us page, accessible via the footer on the Write the World website. From the drop-down menu of options regarding the reason for your outreach, please select Request a Group. You'll be prompted to provide some information about the purpose for your group. A member of our team will then reach out to you to set up your space. Once you've been assigned permission from our team, you can get to work customizing your group space. To start, click the ellipsis button, then select Edit. You can update key info for your group, like its title and description. Students will see these details when they enter the group, so you might share a course description in this space, objectives for your writing community, or a welcome message for your students. Next, you'll have an opportunity to add an attachment, pick a group image, make your group active, meaning accessible to students, or keep it inactive as you work on it. You can then determine whether reviews need your approval before they're shared with the original writer. Once your group is established and marked active, you can add students by clicking the Invite button. From there, you can send email invitations by uploading a class roster or manually entering student emails. Clicking the ellipsis button next to the Invite button allows you to edit your group settings or duplicate your group, copying its contents if you'd like to have additional groups with the same materials, such as if you're teaching multiple sections of the same class. Under the Published Writing tab, you'll see students' written works. Under Peer Review, you'll see reviews provided by students on each other's works. In Announcements, you can create messages for students notifying them of homework assignments, new prompts, or other group updates. Click Create an Announcement and fill out the appropriate information. You'll have the choice to publish the announcement to the group, which will notify writers in their Write the World accounts, or to send the announcement as both a Write the World notification and an email. If you keep these boxes unchecked, the announcement will be inactive, meaning only visible to you until you choose to share it with your students. The Prompts tab is where you'll see any of the prompts you added to your group from your prompt library. Check out the full video in our series to learn how to create prompts. Under Members, you can see who has accepted your group invitation, remove users from the group, change the type of group membership, such as designating a teaching assistant as a group manager to give them the ability to approve peer reviews, etc. And under Invitations, you can see the names of writers whom you've invited to the group, but who have not yet accepted the invitation to participate. The Resources tab allows you to see any resources you've added to your group from your library or to upload new resources. Private resources are only viewable to you and other group owners and managers. This might mean lesson plans or teaching notes, whereas public resources are also viewable to students. Resources can be PDFs, videos, text-based messages, or website links. A reminder that Write the World resources, such as genre guides or peer reviewing guides, are available in the left-hand sidebar under Resources and then Write the World resources. The ellipsis button enables you to add our resources to your own group. For more info about prompts and peer review, please see the additional tutorial videos in this series. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our team at educators@writetheworld.org.